Good evening. Hello everyone, so today I've got an unboxing video of my new iPhone 14 Pro. I got the 128GB model in silver. So yeah, let's take a look around the box before going inside of it. On the front of the box is a front picture of the 14 Pro. On the sides, iPhone. On the bottom and the top, Apple logos. The color of the Apple logos as well as the iPhone wordings are all color coded to the color of the iPhone that you get. Since I got the silver one, all of them are in silver. And on the back, iPhone 14 Pro, what's included inside the box in several languages, and down here you have the barcode, serial number, model, and all that stuff. So, as usual, there are two tabs to pull. Okay, so now that the tabs are pulled, let's open up the box. And right on top, we have the 14 Pro itself. It does look quite nice in silver. Let's put it aside. Here we have the USB-C to Lightning cable. And right here, designed by Apple in California. In this pack, we have a SIM ejection tool, getting started guide in several languages, this is for Thailand, and we have a single Apple sticker. Okay, so time for accessories. As for cases, I got this unbranded clear case, as well as the official Apple iPhone 14 Pro Silicone Case in Storm Blue. Next up, I have this Energea 3-meter USB-A to Lightning cable, as well as this J5 Create 30-watt dual USB-C and USB-A charger. And lastly, this AMAZINGTHING Supreme Full Glass Screen Protector. Okay, so first let's put on the screen protector. Okay, after quite some time of attempting to put on the screen protector, it is now on and it looks quite nice. So let's move on to the cases. Okay, so first let's take a look at the Apple Silicone case. Pull this tab right here. Take the case out and here we have it. Okay. Okay, so next up, let's take a look at this unbranded clear case. Okay, so now let's take a look at this charger. Inside, we have the charger itself and all the paperwork. And lastly, let's take a look at this cable. All the paperwork. And the cable itself. As mentioned earlier, it is Lightning on one end and USB-A on the other end. And the cable does feel like it's a nice quality cable. Okay, so let's do a first boot up of my new 14 Pro. hello, swipe up to open, and obviously in several other languages. Okay, so English, Malaysia, quick start, set up manually, written and spoken languages. Okay, I'll add more later. And now let me just enter the Wi-Fi information. Okay, Wi-Fi has been entered. It's now saying it may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Data and privacy, continue. Face ID, continue. Okay. Okay, use Face ID with a mask. Okay, Face ID is now set up. Continue. Let me just enter the passcode. Okay, passcode has been entered. It's now asking for apps and data, how you want to transfer apps and data to this iPhone. Don't transfer apps and data. Let me just enter my Apple ID. Okay, so I've entered my Apple ID. Now it's explaining to you the terms and conditions. Agree. It may take a few minutes to set up your Apple ID. Keep your iPhone up to date. Continue. Location services. Enable location services. Set up mobile service. Set up later in settings. Skip eSIM setup. Skip. Set up late in wallet. For Apple, that was Apple Pay. Now it's Siri. Set up late in settings. Screen time, continue. iPhone analytics. Okay, share with Apple. App analytics, don't share. Appearance, light, continue. Display zoom, standard. Emergency SOS. Crash detection, that's one of the new features. So continue. Welcome to iPhone, swipe up to get started. Okay. Use this iPhone when sharing your location. Not now. Use this iPhone when sharing your location. Okay. And yeah. This is my first experience with iOS 16 since the rest of my devices, or rather the rest of my iPhones, they're running iOS 15. But yeah. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing video of my new iPhone 14 Pro 128GB in silver. Thanks for watching and goodbye.